Welcome to Ka and Ki TV.
Today we will listen the story of Union is Strength. Once upon a time, there was an old farmer. He had four sons. Sons of old farmers were always fighting with each other. The old farmer advised his son not to quarrel, but that was of no use. His son did not listen to his advice. One day, the farmer became very ill. So he called his sons to teach them a lesson. He gave them a bundle of wood and asked them to break it. But no one could break the bundle of wood. Then the old farmer asked his son to open the bundle and break the wood. His four sons tried one by one and they simply broke the wood one by one. Now the farmer said to his son,
If you remain gathered together like a bundle of wood, no one can harm you. But if you quarrel, anyone can harm you. His boys took the lesson. After that, they never quarrel again. The farmer was delighted. What is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is union is strength. United, we stand. Divided, we fall. And unity is a shield against defeat. Hope you have liked the video. Please subscribe the channel and share it with your friends.